Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this tutorial, I'm gonna use all Maven Beauty products to create this soft holiday glam look with a pop of blue eyeliner. And hopefully by the end of this video, you feel encouraged to do this look on yourself as well. And hopefully this video will teach you something. So the first palette I went in with is the Basic Beat palette by Mavenbeauty in the color Medium Blend. And I'm gonna start with this kind of like orangey brown color. I start with a tiny brush and blending this kind of like in my crease, and once I go a little bit further towards the inner corner of my eye, I'm gonna blend it up a bit higher towards my brow. Not all the way up towards my brow, but a little bit higher than I would normally do it. And then after creating kind of like a bow shape, I don't really know how you kind of rainbow shape, if that makes sense. And then I kind of connect the outer portion of the eyelid with the line that I create. It's kind of hard for me to explain in English, but by seeing me doing it, hopefully it kind of makes sense. So I just keep blending this color, and then with whatever's left of my brush, I'm kind of going around the edges. And then I also added a little bit more of that on a bigger brush and just started blending around the edges to make sure that everything looks a little bit more softer blended out. Then I'm going in with this beautiful palette, which is from the Mavenbeauty Cosmic Drip palette collection. I will put the name of this palette in the description bar, and this is a really gorgeous kind of like, I don't really know what shade it is. It's kind of like a champagne rosy but also golden kind of color. It's super pretty, so I wanted to use it with my finger on top of the eyelid, kind of on all the places where I didn't apply that brown color in my crease. So you have that darkness around the outer portion of the eyelid and in my crease, and you have this beautiful light shimmery color on the center of the eyelid. Then I went in with a clean brush and just blended a little bit of that more around the edges to make sure that everything looks nice and smooth. And I just kind of went all around the edges. Then I went in with the Mavenbeauty Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner, which is a super nice eyeliner because you can twist the outer end and more product will run out. This way the tip of the eyeliner will never dry out, which I think is genius. So this is a super intensely pigmented eyeliner, which I personally really like. The blue color is just really pretty, and I actually created a few more of this a few more looks using this eyeliner, this exact shade, and you guys really seem to like it. So I'm going to make sure to link these videos in the description bar in case you want to see what other looks I made using this eyeliner. And the color that I used is Atlantis. That's the shade name of this one, and I just love how pigmented it is, and the color of the blue is just really pretty. I think you can combine it with a lot of looks. So now I'm gonna go back in with that same palette which I used all the way at the beginning, and now using that same color and blending this all the way underneath the lower lash line using a tiny blending brush. Just sweeping my brush back and forth, blending this all the way underneath the lower lash line, and also kind of connecting with the shade in the outer V, like around the lash line. So I had already applied that shade, so it's now really easy to kind of connect it so everything just blends seamlessly into each other. So I just continued to do this until I'm satisfied with how everything is looking, and then I went in with a pencil in my waterline with kind of the same undertone as the brown color that I used. So I just applied this all the way in my waterline, and then I went in with a lash curler because it's already time for mascara. For this look, I am personally going in with some mascara, but you can definitely wear this makeup look with only what am I saying? I'm definitely wearing fake lashes, but you can also wear this with only mascara if you like to do so. I think that would be really pretty as well. I think lashes will make the look even more pretty and glamorous, but of course, if you have beautiful lashes or you simply don't like wearing fake lashes, of course you can skip that step. So I just applied the mascara on my upper lashes and on my lower lashes. And then now I'm going in with these Mavenbeauty 100% vegan cruelty-free lashes in the style 08, which is a really pretty lash style. So I'm gonna apply them. They're not too dramatic, not too neutral. I really like them. I think they go really well with the look that I made today. So just popping them in the center of the eyelid, kind of pressing the against my own eyelid, kind of on top of where I applied the blue eyeliner. Then pressing the inner corner and the outer corner against my lid, just holding it for a few seconds, like just 1, 2, like not very long. And then here you have the finished results. I really hope you like how it turned out. I love the pop of eyeliner, it just makes it a little bit different. What would be really pretty as well is using a brown eyeliner. That will be really stunning as well. And yeah, we'll link all the Mavenbeauty products in the description bar in case you want to purchase anything of their products. I will link everything down so you can shop on their website. And yeah, I just hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. This was really helpful for my YouTube channel. And hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys!